If you're serious about making $9,000 in just 3 days, don't skip. Watch this video till the very end. This isn't clickbait and it's definitely not some get rich quick fantasy. This is richest hustle, and if you're ready to level up, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down a 4-step strategy that real hustlers are using right now to generate serious cash in record time without a huge following, expensive tools, or years of experience. All you need is a high income skill, a clear offer, and the mindset to execute fast. I'll show you how to position yourself as an expert, land premium clients, and deliver results that keep the money flowing. No fluff, no hype, just a straight up game plan that can help you hit $9,000 in 72 hours if you take action. So grab a pen, stay focused, and don't blink. Let's dive in. Your 3-day hustle starts now. Step 1, pick a high income skill. Let's get one thing clear. You can't make big money doing small things. If you're aiming to make $9,000 in just 3 days, then your first move is to pick a high income skill. This is your foundation. Without it, you're building your hustle on sand. Now, what exactly is a high income skill? It's a skill that solves real problems for businesses or individuals, and more importantly, people are willing to pay thousands of dollars for it. We're not talking about filling out surveys or watching ads here. We're talking about you can't make big money doing small things. If you're aiming to make $9,000 in just 3 days, then your first move is to pick a high income skill. This is your foundation. Without it, you're building your hustle on sand. Now, what exactly is a high income skill? It's a skill that solves real problems for businesses or individuals, and more importantly, people are willing to pay thousands of dollars for it. We're not talking about filling out surveys or watching ads here. We're talking about value driven skills that bring results, save time, or make money for others. Here are 4 of the most powerful high income skills you can start with. 1. Copywriting. Copywriting is the art of using words to sell. Every landing page, every ad, every email that convinces someone to buy something, that's copywriting. If you can write persuasively, you can make serious money. Businesses will pay you thousands to create high converting copy that brings in sales. And the best part, you can learn the basics in a few days using free resources on YouTube or even tools like ChatGPT to structure your content. 2. Funnel building. Funnels are the lifeblood of online businesses. They guide customers from just browsing to here's my credit card. If you can build sales funnels using tools like ClickFunnels, System.io, or Go High Level, you're golden. These platforms often come with templates, and there are tons of tutorials. Can charge 1,500, 3,000 per client per month. Start with one niche like local services or e-commerce and go deep. 4. AI automation setups. In 2025, this is one of the most in demand skills. With tools like Zapier, Make.com, and AI assistants like ChatGPT and Claude, businesses are looking to automate customer service, lead generation, data entry, and more. If you can set up automated systems that save companies time and money, they'll gladly pay you thousands. So here's the action item: pick one of these skills. Don't try to learn everything at once. Focus. Go on YouTube, take a free course, play with the tools, ask ChatGPT for help, and start practicing. Remember, your skill is your ticket to $9,000. Don't skip this. Invest time here, because the better your skill, the easier it will be to close high paying clients in the next steps. Ready for step 2? Let's go. Step 2, package and price your offer. Alright, now that you've chosen your high income skill, it's time to move to the next step. And this is where the money really starts to come in. You have to package and price your offer. Here's the biggest mistake most beginners make: they sell their time instead of selling a result. If you charge by the hour, you're automatically putting a cap on your income. And let's be real, businesses don't care about your hours. They care about outcomes. They want results, and they'll pay top dollar if you can promise and deliver those results. So, how do you package your offer? You turn your skill into a solution. Let's say you chose funnel building. Instead of saying, I build funnels for $20 hour, you say, I help online coaches generate $10,000 month by building high converting automated funnels that work 24/7. See the difference? You're no longer just a funnel builder, you're a growth partner, a result provider, someone worth paying 3,000 or more for one project. Here's a simple formula to craft your offer. I help target audience achieve specific result using your skill. Examples: I help real estate agents generate 50 leads month using Facebook ads. I help course creators increase sales 2x with conversion focused copywriting. I help local businesses automate customer follow ups using AI workflows. This is called a value based offer and it positions someone worth paying 3000 or more for one project. Here's a simple formula to craft your offer. I help target audience achieve specific result using your skill. Examples: I help real estate agents generate 50 leads month using Facebook ads. I help course creators increase sales 2x with conversion focused copywriting. I help local businesses automate customer follow ups using AI workflows. This is called a value based offer and it positions you as a premium service provider, not a freelancer fighting for scraps on Fiverr. Now let's talk pricing. You're not selling a $50 logo or a $10 gig. You're building a solution that helps people make money, save time, or grow faster, and that's priceless. Price your offer at $3,000 or more. That way, you only need 3 clients to hit your $9,000 goal. If you're just starting out, you can create two versions of your offer: a light version at $1,500, $2,000, a premium version at 3000 plus with added features, faster delivery, or personal coaching. People like options, and higher end clients usually pick premium. Let me say this again: don't undercharge, don't sell time, sell transformation. Position your offer as the solution your target audience is desperately searching for. When you do that, pricing becomes less of a debate because your clients will see the return on investment, not just the cost. So take 30 minutes right after this video. Write down who you help, how you help them, and the result they'll get. That's your offer. That's your ticket to 3000 plus clients. Ready for step 3? It's all about getting those clients. Let's go step 3. Reach out with speed. Host, direct to camera, energetic tone. This is the part where most people fail. They build the skill, they create the offer, and then they just wait. Don't be that person. You're not here to wait, you're here to win. And winners move fast. Now that you course creators and send a personalized message like, "Hey, name, I saw your coaching page, loved your content. I help coaches like you automate lead generation with high converting funnels. I have 2 client slots open this week. One details, keep it casual, direct, and value driven. No spammy sales talk. 2. Email outreach. Email still works if done right. Use tools like Hunter.io or Apollo.io to find business emails in your target niche. Then send a short, personalized email that pitches your value. Here's a simple format: subject, quick idea for their business name; body, hey name, I help business type generate more leads using your skill. Just wrapped a project that helped a coach hit 10k a month with automated funnels. I've got space for 2 more this week. Would love to send you a few ideas. Interested? Keep it short. The goal isn't to close them in the email, it's to start a conversation. 3. LinkedIn and Facebook groups. These platforms are gold mines for B2B leads. Join groups where your target clients hang out, like online coaches, e commerce growth, or digital marketing for small business. Once inside, don't pitch right away. Engage with posts, answer questions, and send connection requests. Then send a DM that feels like a genuine conversation. Example: Hey, name, I saw your post in group. Great insight. I actually help coaches with funnel systems that generate consistent leads. Just open 2 client spots this week. Would you be open to seeing what that looks like? The key: volume plus urgency message, 50 to 100 people a day. No excuses. That's how hustlers hustle. And always create urgency. Phrases like, I have 2 spots left this week, I'm booking. For a limited trial offer, only onboarding 3 clients this month. These push people to act. Host, smiling. Remember, your offer is powerful, but it's useless if no one sees it. Speed is success. The more people you reach, the faster you land your first 3000 plus client. Don't wait, reach out, repeat. Ready for step 4? Time to deliver like a pro and lock in that income. Let's go. Step 4: deliver like a pro. You've done the hard work. You picked a high income skill, crafted a killer offer, reached out like a machine, and finally someone says yes. Now what? You deliver like a pro. This is where legends are made. Most people overpromise and underdeliver, but not you. If you want that client to not only pay you but also refer you to others, you need to over deliver with speed and quality. Here's how to do it the smart way. Let's say your client paid you $3,000 for a funnel, copywriting package, or AI automation setup. Your goal is not just to complete the work but to blow their mind, and for that, you'll use tools. 1. Canva for design and visuals. Even if you're not a designer, Canva makes you look like one. Use it to create stunning landing pages, pitch decks or client deliverables. Need graphics for a funnel? Done. Need a brand board or client dashboard? Canva has it. Use templates and customize. Fast, clean, professional. 2. Notion for organizing the project. Notion is your client HQ. Create a shared project board, add timelines, content drafts, deliverables, keep everything transparent and collaborative. Clients love when you're organized. It builds trust and makes you look 10x more professional than someone just emailing random files. 3. ChatGPT, your AI partner. Let AI supercharge your delivery. Writing ad copy, use ChatGPT to draft it. Building email flows, generate sequences in minutes. Structuring a sales pitch, ask ChatGPT for frameworks. Use AI to handle 70% of the heavy lifting, then you polish it with your personal expertise. It saves time and impresses the client. 4. Zapier for automation setups. If your service includes automation, Zapier is your best